Ooh, makeup for besties. So I will tell you that I absolutely positively love how big her eyes get. And she's doing it on her shirt. I wonder what is she turning herself into? If you guys know what type of paint she uses, or like if you know somebody that does makeup, what type of paint is really good for your face, I would love to do a look like this, but I don't know what kind of paint to get. Oh, look at that. Look at the teeth. I definitely need to know. Leave me a comment if you know anything about what type of paint to get. Look at that. That is some great detail. Look at the eyes, the squares. She did a really good. I mean, the shading. Oh my God! Look at the contacts. I'm creeped out. Let me know in the comments if this was an actually creepy look. Don't forget to hit that like on your way out.